Welcome to Kanidam channel. Today we learn Roman numerals. The Roman numerals are formed by using only 7 symbols which are I, V, X, L, C, D, M. The value of the symbol I equal to 1. The value of the symbol V equal to 5. X equal to 10. L equal to 50. C equal to 100. D equal to 500. M is equal to 1000. There are some rules to write Roman numerals. Rule number 1. If symbol is repeated, its value is added. Example. II equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. XX equal to 10 plus 10 equal to 20. XXX equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 30. Rule number 2. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. Example. 3 times I is allowed. 4 times I is not allowed. 3 times X is allowed. 4 times X is not allowed. Rule number 3. If smaller value symbol is written to right of greater value symbol, its value gets added. Example. In Xi, if a greater value is placed before a smaller value, we should add. So, Xi equal to 10 plus 1 equal to 11. In Xi, X is greater value, I is smaller value. In Xv, X is greater value, V is smaller value. If a greater value is placed before a smaller value, we should add. So, X is 10 plus V is 5. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. V is greater value, I is smaller value. So, V is 5 and I is 1. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. L is greater value and XV are smaller value. So, value of L is 50 plus X value is 10 plus V value is 5. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 5, 65. Rule number 4. If the symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a greater value, its value gets subtracted. Example, IV equal to, here I is smaller value and V is greater value. If a smaller value is placed before a larger value, we should subtract. So, 5 minus 1 equal to 4. I is smaller value, X is greater value. 10 minus 1 equal to 9. X is smaller value, L is greater value. The value of L is 50. 50 minus X is 10. 50 minus 10 equal to 40. X is smaller value, C is greater value. The value of C is 100 minus 10 equal to 90. Number 5. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. So, the I can be subtracted from V and X only. So, IV is equal to 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Ix equal to 10 minus 1 equal to 9. 6. The symbol X can be subtracted from L and C only. X can be subtracted from L and C only.